Team SHK, certainly, they appear to... I think they appear to believe they've grabbed a pallet. They're just trying to put it in the zone, but unfortunately they've missed. Potentially not realising that KEV had knocked it out of place. Oh, and that was so close to being just on top of that central pillar there from KEV. Unfortunately, it's just bounced off. And
Now Hill School, again, they have dropped one pallet inside one of the districts. Fantastic. It's not on top of a high rise, but it's in there nonetheless, and they will get points for it. Now, that second one, oh, not quite there. Just inside the district, fantastic, but not quite on top of that high rise. Speaking of high rises, that's just what Team MDN have decided they don't care about. That is 2 pallets sitting on...
but it was just knocked off, so it'll be interesting to see if they can manage that again.
Yeah, that is unfortunate. Sometimes you do need to, because of the weights of these pallets, you do need to make sure they are on fairly securely. That's for almost 5 pallets in that central area for Team MDN. Incredible number of points. Abingdon, that outer district, looking like they're going for a third. With 40 seconds, they can absolutely do it. Oh, actually, they might be going for that central one. And, oh, now this is going to be interesting. That's one on top of that central pedestal on the high rise.
Quite managing it yet. Oh, TLC aiming for that very central high rise. Not quite on top of there, but it does look like it's still in the zone. That's very good. Oh, a bit of sabotage from the NH8 robot. Driving straight